As many of you know, Accutane, and you may have been on it yourself, is a drug that's used to treat moderate to severe acne, and it works extremely well. It's in fact what a lot of us call a wonder drug. It's been around for 40 plus years. It's all in all a really safe medication. However, there's one thing you can't do while you're on Accutane, and that is get pregnant. So why? Well, Accutane is teratogenic. What that means is it can cause abnormalities in the fetus of a pregnant woman who's on the drug. So you absolutely cannot take Accutane if you're pregnant. And these abnormalities can go from everything from heart defects to even stillbirth, death, cardiac defects. So again, this is not something that we mess with. You absolutely cannot get pregnant while on Accutane. The good news these days is that in 2006, the government started a program called Ipledge. And basically, it's something that you sign up for and register the doctors, the patient, and the pharmacies for patients who are going to go on Accutane so that they can follow these patients and make sure, number one, that none of them, of course, the females, are getting pregnant while on the medication. They do this in many ways. So one is that if you're interested in Accutane, you speak with your doctor like myself. We decide you're going to do it. We register you in this Ipledge program. And then there's a 1-month waiting period for all females of childbearing potential. Why? Because, of course, as we know, you could be pregnant perhaps and not know you're pregnant yet. Then we do the blood tests. We do urine tests, make sure you're not pregnant. We're also checking for your liver, all that kind of stuff. And then another thing is that we make sure that you're on 2 forms of birth control. One of them can be abstinence, but you do have to have a second form of birth control. And then another thing is that we have to see you every single month, and you only get the drug on that monthly basis. So you're not just giving a patient 5 months of Accutane who then could possibly get pregnant during those times, and you're taking those blood tests every month to make sure that you're not pregnant. So all of these things have incredibly decreased the incidence of pregnancy with Accutane to the point where it's very rare these days.